How to use ManyChat to book 3 to 5 qualified calls every single day. Okay, so you've probably seen all over Instagram, everyone and them others are like, oh, comment a keyword and I'll send you over a free training on exactly how. Well, they're doing that for a reason, and there's actually two main reasons why they're doing it. It's to, one, get a book call, and two, get people's email. Okay, but I've found a way, and I've found an automation on how to actually book calls automatically. So like on autopilot, you don't even have to go in the DMs, and people will book in a call, and these will be qualified book calls if you have the rest of your funnel in line, and I talk about that in my other videos. If you want to check them out. And this is for online coaches and agency owners. If you want to get your next 3 to 5 clients and 3 to 5 book calls every single day, definitely watch this and definitely implement this because it's very overpowered. Okay, so ManyChat is an automation platform linked with Instagram, and when someone sends over a keyword and when someone comments a keyword on your post, they will get something in return, and what you will get is their data, so their email, and you will also warm them up with the free training you send over. Okay, so basically it's kind of like a trust builder, this free training, and it can be on YouTube, the free training, or it can be in a Notion docs. Let me show you my training, but it is on YouTube, but it's just in a Notion docs, so you understand what I'm saying once you see it. But it's like this. So for example, it's in here, and they can book a call down below, and they also, with the ManyChat sequence, they get prompted to book a call as well. So basically, if they click on here, they can watch it through there. I run them through all this and everything like that. So yeah, that's what I mean by having it on Notion docs, or you can just have simply on YouTube. And this free training should kind of be like a video sales letter as well. So it's selling them on your service, and it's convincing them that they actually need what you sell, making them problem aware, solution aware, and rubbing salt in the wounds of the problem, so they book a call when they realize they need your solution ASAP. This can be done for literally any industry. A video sales letter is literally everyone creates it, every industry creates one. Okay, and this video sales letter again should be a long training, just giving away your process. You're probably like, why would I give away my process? One, it builds up trust. Trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something, and people don't buy for information. They buy for it either being done for them or with them, someone's hand to hold along the way, so they know what to do and when to do it, and also accountability. Okay, so they don't really buy for the information. Okay, if you think about it, everyone thinks they know what they need to do and it's not working, so they just want someone's hand to hold along the way. Okay, and that's when your coaching program or your agency comes in and does it for them or does it with them. Okay, and what you're going to do is create a short form video, so just a normal short form video, and at the end or throughout the video, so if you think people aren't going to watch to the end, do it throughout the video. Say comment keyword and I'll send you over a free training on exactly how to so and so, or a free lead map, whatever you want to give away for free. I would suggest it being a video sales letter 100%, and that's my process. But let me show you a kind of video that I mean when I say comment the word magnify.
If you want a full in detail 1.5-hour video going through this exact process in way more detail, comment the word magnify. I'll send it over to you for completely free. If I had...
So that's what I mean by the end, so the call to action, or throughout the video you say comment the keyword and I'll send you over it for free. But make sure I would either say video or free training. It's completely up to you. Don't say VSL. Would never say that. So if you collect their email, what you can do, and you don't have to do this to convert people into paying clients or convert people into book calls. It's just another way to kind of hit them from all angles. So you can send them email campaigns, offer them deals within these email campaigns, and just again hit them from all angles. Okay, yeah, what this automation is, and I want to show you it right now. Okay, this is in most people's programs, so paid programs. I'm giving this away for free. Okay, so it's an automation. I'm going to actually show you. Let's go over to ManyChat and let's show you how to create it. Okay, so here's the automation, and this is what it is. So you're going to be on ManyChat, and you have to have the paid version for this. It's only like £10 or £20 a month that you have to pay. So what you're going to do is go down to automations down here, and it has to be connected with your Instagram account and Facebook account, I think, and mine was already connected, so you know. But you can look up on YouTube how to connect it. It's probably quite simple. You probably just need to connect like a business page to it. Then you're going to press new automation. So you're going to come down to this automation thing here, and then you're going to click new automation and then say start from scratch. and then you're going to say when, and then you're going to go to new trigger, and you're going to say user comments on your post or reel. Okay, and what I do, because I say the same keyword every time, I just say all posts. So whenever someone, I don't have to keep resetting this automation up. I can do it once and it's done. Okay, so what I would do is just press all posts or reels, and then press continue, and then you're going to say comments include these keywords. So what's your keyword? Mine's magnify, and I do all types of magnify, one with a capital, one with all capitals, one with no capitals, and one with one capital, and the rest like that, just so if people just type and it auto corrects, they'll still get the training. Okay, press continue, and then you can select yes, random, multiple replies, and put your replies in, so it sends each person a different thing. Once they comment, it can be like done, the links in your DMs, sent, please check your DMs, etc. Write those down. For example, check DMs, sent, and you check DMs, and then just press save, and then you're going to go to choose first step, and this first step is going to be Instagram, so press on Instagram, and then you're going to enter your message. So let me just go over to my old one and then I'll say it. So what you're going to do is put, hey Instagram username, want me to send over the exclusive free training. And then you're going to add a button here. I don't know how to get rid of all this, sorry. Add a button here, and then press, and then put send it over, and then just put an emoji in. That one will do. And then you're going to press, when this button is pressed, Instagram. And then what you're going to do, instead of having text, you're going to go to user input, and this is why you need the pro version, otherwise it doesn't work. So press user input, then you're going to press enter a question. You're going to paste in the question, so that will be the question, beautiful, all I need is your email. And then you're going to put here email. You're going to have these set up, so save email to systems, send set email opt-in campaign, and have all this set up. You can have the skip button. I don't think you can turn that off, but they can skip the step if they really want to. I would have no skip button, so they can't skip the step. And you're gonna have to make sure your email is connected. So your email, so you're kind of, where you send email campaigns and where you collect emails, your newsletter, the platform you use on, you need to make sure it's integrated. So go to settings, scroll down to integrations, find your one that you use, and it should be connected. Okay, and then what you're going to do now is action on reply. Go like this, and then press plus action, and then I'm going to go to MailChimp because that's my one. It should come up here, your one. Then you're going to say add contact to list. Then you're going to choose your list, enter list name, mine's that one, then press save. Okay, then you're going to put if contact has not responded, you're going to go Instagram again, and then just let me know your email and I'll send it over. And then you're going to put next step, and it's going to be an Instagram thing again. Let me move this out of the way. And then once all that happens, once they do that, you're just going to send it over to them. So you're going to send that free training over. What you're going to do is insert it here. So what I would do is press card and get rid of this one, and then insert an image. Let me just insert an image, just use that. Then press enter title, and then I'd put as promised, here you go. And then you're going to enter subtitle, which is going to be, for me it would be magnify your content, and then you're going to put the URL here, and you can, whatever you're sending over, put that in. I'm just going to put the Notion docs in. So basically here your Instagram page is kind of like your landing page, okay, and then it's going to add it to it, so when they click on that, it's going to take them over to the free training and the Notion docs. Okay, and then what you're going to do after this, so now you literally have their email. Okay, so it automatically puts that email onto your list, like automatically. It's like You don't have to take time to put the email in to add a subscriber. It just does it automatically. Plus they get warmed up with this free training. So when they click on this, it will just take them over to the free training, and the next step is adding a smart delay. Then you're going to wait. My free training is like an hour and a half long. So what I would do is wait 3 hours and then reach back out to them. And then put, yo, have you checked out the free training? So let me just put it here. And then you're going to add button. Put new button. Yes. And then you're going to press Instagram. And you're also going to add another button saying, not yet, will do ASAP. Then you're going to add another button, and then, as you can see, put this like that. And then when they say yes sir, just say let's go. And when they say not yet, will do ASAP, say no stress, let me know when you do. Let me know what you think after you watch it. And then what you're going to do next is add in a next step. So you're going to go here, just drag that over, and then you're going to put Instagram, and you're going to add in a delay. So you're going to add in a delay and put it on top. So I would add a 5-second delay before it asks that question, and you're going to move it. So click here and then move it above it. So it says wait 5 seconds before they do that, and then it will send them this new message. So it gives them time to answer this question as well. And then what I put is quick question. Why did you want the free training? Then you put, for example, mine would be, what is your offer? Basically, mine would be scale with content, and put Instagram here. Another button, and then put just looking. And then press another Instagram. And then with this one, you can put, that's great, would love to have a conversation with you about how we can help. And then you can put button. And then you could put would love that. And you could press Instagram again. And for just looking, what you're going to put is, great man, would love some feedback on the training. What should I create next? Then you can put, I got feedback, and then you could put no feedback, and then remember each time to put Instagram after it. And for this one, no feedback, you can just leave it, and just maybe even just say something like you could just put an emoji like shaking hands. And then this one here, when they say I got feedback, say sure, let me know the feedback. And then yeah, boom. So for the would love that, when they say would love that, what you're going to do is, what I do anyway, is put that's great, booking a call down below. And what you can do is go here and then put book a call. And then put open website, and then put your Calendly link in. So put your Calendly link in here, and then press done, and then it will link it. But what you can do as well is, when they say would love that, just go in the DMs yourself. Or when they say scale with content, if they say scale with content, just go in the DMs yourself. And then you can find out their pain points, use them as leverage to get them on a call. Or you can do it this way, so it books a call automatically, because some people might not book calls from this because they're like, oh, he's just telling me to book a call. Something like that, okay? So you can do it manually. When they say scale with content, you can go in the DMs yourself and just be like, yo, speak to them like naturally and everything like that. And ask them questions to find out their pain points, then use the pain points as leverage to get them on a call. And then yeah, this is going to get them to book a call. This is literally the whole automation. So let me just show you. I'll try to put an example. Actually, let me just do an example of, I done it for myself yesterday. Let me show you an example of what will happen. So let me show you an example. So this is my other Instagram account. So what's going to happen is, hey, want me to send over the free training? Then it normally says yes, send it over, and then it press send it over. Then it say beautiful, all I need is your email. And then if I put just a J, no email, it will say please enter a correct email address at mail.com. Then I enter it. It gives you 3 attempts. If they keep messing about and say don't put the email in properly, it just won't send over. Once they put the email in, it sends them a free training. Then 3 hours later, sends yo, have you checked out the free training? And then quick question, why did you want the free training? Yes, sir. And then let's go. And then I say scale with content. And it said, that's great, would love to have a conversation. And you put would love that. And that's great, book in a call down below. And then it could book in a call like that, okay? So that's the whole automation. So whenever someone comments on your videos now, that keyword, it's going to send them this over. And it's going to send them that VSL over or whatever. So you can set multiple of these up with different keywords if you really want to. And now it's really just plug and play, because you can copy this and just change the keyword and change the link to what you're sending over, okay? And you can press duplicate over here, duplicate it, and just change the link and change everything like that. So that's the automation for ManyChat. Is very overpowered. You have to have the paid version for that as well, though. That's what I was saying. But I just want to show you quickly what the funnel consists of. So how this plays within the funnel. So my funnel, short form content, Instagram follow ad to Instagram profile to YouTube, what I'm doing right now, okay? But the ManyChat sequence plays here. So when people come onto your profile, they see your videos or they see your short form content, they comment the keyword, and that just takes them over, as you can see here, to the video sales letter here. And that video sales letter is going to get them to book in a call. But as I said, people might not convert from this video sales letter. Who knows, okay? Who knows? Not everyone's just going to be like, okay, let me book a call. They might have seen you for the first time. So all this is going to do is get them to know about you. And they've probably followed you from the Instagram. And what they're going to do now is see your Instagram stories leading over to YouTube. See your Instagram profile that leads over to YouTube. Literally just going to binge watch your content, okay? They're going to binge watch your YouTube content until they do book a call. But they may even book a call from this video sales letter. It just depends on how long they've been watching you for and everything like that. And then what this DM ad is also, so you're going to run it. I don't want to get too into detail about this funnel because I literally just made a video on it, but the ManyChat just plays in with the video sales letter. So you're going to have short form content with ManyChat sequence. It's going to lead over to a video sales letter. It's going to book in calls on autopilot, and you're going to make a lot of money. And the best thing about this, if you do it right, you're only going to get qualified book calls, so because you should have a form and you should have an after calls book nurturing process. I talk about that within my last video. If you want to check that out, check it out. It's like 38 minutes long, so check it out. And yeah, actually I do go into detail in it in the description. It's an hour and a half free training, so if you want to watch that, watch it down below. No email required, it's just a YouTube video. So yeah, if you want to watch that, watch it. Okay, so I hope you got some value from this video. If you want to pause, go back, see what I'm doing, see how I'm implementing all this, then you can. And yeah, so yeah, hope you got some value from this. Thanks guys for watching, really appreciate it. And yeah, implement this and I guarantee you'll book 3 to 5 calls a day. Thanks guys for watching, subscribe, everything like that, and peace.